Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything is going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa. I am a makeup artist, and today I'm gonna show you how to do this very artistic and colorful makeup look. I really love how the look turned out, so if you wanna see how I got it, keep on watching and let's begin. The first thing I'm gonna do is apply a very good eyeshadow base. I'm using p.louise eyeshadow base, and this is the shade number 2. I'm gonna spread it out all over the eyelid using my clean fingers. And for today's look, I'm gonna use this amazing palette. This is the Secret Sinners by p.louise as well. I love the colors in this palette. It is so beautiful. So the first shade that I'm gonna use in the other corner of my eyes is called Love Shy. It's a very dark, beautiful brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply this shade using a smaller, fluffy brush. I'm gonna place it in the other corner of my eyes and also a little bit in my crease. I'm gonna be adding the product a little at a time and carefully blending the edges. I'm gonna be careful because I don't want to apply this eyeshadow too far up. I have so many shades to create the gradient of colors, so I want this eyeshadow to stay low as possible. Next, using another fluffy brush, I'm gonna apply the shade Bow Down. So I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow in my crease, outer corner, and also in the lower lash line, and this will be my first transition shade. I'm gonna apply the same colors in the lower lash line. And now, using a very big fluffy brush, I'm gonna apply the shade Climax. This is a beautiful yellow, so good. I really love this color. It's very pigmented, so I'm gonna be adding a little at a time as my second transition shade. As you can see here, the gradient of colors is so beautiful already, and I really like the effect. And now to cut the crease, I'm gonna use this amazing yellow eyeshadow base, and this from the Basic Brides. I love this product so much. The shade that I'm using is Yes a Yellow. So cute. I really love the name and also how this product works, because you can use it by itself because it dries, or you can use it to set with the next eyeshadow that you plan to use on top, so you can mix colors and create your own combinations. Now, right on top of this yellow eyeshadow base, I'm gonna use the shades Bow Down and also Climax again. And here, I'm gonna create the second gradient of colors. As this makeup look is very colorful and matte, I'm gonna use just a little bit of glitter, and the glitter that I'm using is Reflects Gold by MAC. I'm gonna apply it just in the inner corner in the lower lash line. And now move on to my face. I'm gonna use the blush palette by Sigma Beauty. I'm gonna apply this beautiful orange shade. This is Tiger Lily. I'm gonna apply it just in the apples of my cheeks using this Poly Duster brush. This is also by Sigma, my favorite brush. And next, to highlight, I'm going to use the Sculpt palette by Sigma. I'm going to use the highlighter Shine On, and to apply, I'm going to use a big fluffy brush. All the brushes that I'm using are from Sigma Beauty, and you can use my code MelissaSB for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com, just in case you're interested. And I also have my favorite brush set, which is Melissa Samways favorites. I'm gonna link down below for you guys. And to finish off this makeup look, I'm gonna use just a lip gloss by p.louise. And that concludes this makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I think it's so beautiful. I really love to do this kind of colorful makeup looks. I think they are amazing. I really hope that you like it much as I do. Comment down below what you think about this makeup look and also what you want to see next here on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video if you did, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye!